Hey everyone, welcome to TSD Reviews and Stuff. So today I have something special, and this is the Xbox One S, Sport Red Edition wireless controller. I don't own any Xbox. It's just that I wanted to play games on my PC, but I didn't have any controller for that. Well, actually, I did the PS3, and I actually downloaded some SCP toolkit drivers, but it didn't really work well. It wasn't pretty well calibrated, so I watched a couple of videos and I realized that it's Xbox and it's designed by Microsoft, and Windows is also Microsoft. So it's a perfect ecosystem. So I thought that why not go for this. Now, this one I got for rupees 4,765 to be exact. But the funny thing is, once I canceled the order, I got this for. I checked the prices again, and it said 4,765 rupees, which was insane. So I thought this is the perfect time to order, and here it is. I got this. So let's do an unboxing of this. Alright, this is my first ever Xbox controller, so I'm pretty excited for this. So as you can see, Sport Red, Xbox, rubberized grip. That's a special feature of this controller. Here we have just, it contains AA batteries, that's what this says. And the back, it's nothing special. Okay, so let's cut this seal. Alright, and let's do this. Whoa, wow, can you see that? That's a beautiful color. Hold up, man, this is insane. Look at this red color. It's the most beautiful controller I've ever owned in my life. That's 100% true. So let's take this out. Whoa, okay, alright. This feels so good in the hands. Oh my god. This is my first ever Xbox controller I'm holding. This is insane. Look at that rubberized texture at the back. And you have this dark brown accent here. It's a color, and it just feels so much more premium. It feels that you paid a good amount of money to get a great controller. And you have your YBAX, pretty tactile, and the analogs, the sticks, yes. And you have an Xbox power on button. Actually, this one looks a lot flatter. I thought it would be a lot more spherical or something like that, but actually it turned out to be a lot more um, flatter, which is pretty cool. And you have the buttons. Here you have your headphone jack. And this, what is this? I have no idea. Alright, I'm not an Xbox player, so I have no idea what this is. Here you have a micro USB, and this is Xbox. There's a little dust on it. I'll just wipe this off. The triggers. Yes, the triggers are great. They're insane. I mean, this red color is insane, guys. Look at the design. This design is insanely good. The grips on this thing are no joke. Alright, this is the main standout feature of this controller, and this is insane. This red controller is so red. I mean, the camera isn't doing any justice to it, but this thing is insane. Hey, your bumpers, very tactile feeling. Your triggers, man, I'm loving this. So even the ABYX are also red in color, and you have those little color dots on the sides that actually are the original colors of these letters. So that's an indication of which one. It's a nice detail they have it added.
This controller is insane. This is my first ever Xbox, guys. Keep this in mind. This is my first ever Xbox controller. I really like the streamlined design, super clean, no glossy parts except for the top. But in the previous model, this was glossy. Then now they've made it all matte finish, and it just looks so good. Holding this already feels as if the Sony's PS3 controller. I can't use this anymore. Right, I can't use this. After using this, you can't go back to your PS. That is for sure. And I knew when it comes to the controllers, Xbox is on a whole different level. Now I'm not sure about the PS5. I've tried the PS4 controller on my friend's house, and it was cool, but this one is on a whole different level. Yeah. So I'll keep this here. Let's see what else do we have inside. Here you have your dual AA batteries in here. Actually, this is a pretty cool thing that they run on AA batteries. So if it actually ran on lithium ion, it might get degraded over time. And this thing only has a warranty of 90 days, which is surprising. But it is what it is. So I'm happy that it's rolling with the dual AA batteries. So inside, let's see what else we get. Okay, here we have your Xbox manual. I'll refer to that later on. But since I'm not an Xbox player, it won't be so difficult for me to understand. Here you have your warranty information, and I don't know what that is. Keep that there. Oh, okay. Now this is something cool. All right, this is an Xbox Game Pass. So, since I'm not an Xbox player, it won't really matter to me. But it's based on first come first serve. So whoever sees this first and applies the code, he gets it. So you ready? 3, 2, 1. So it's a cool thing that they have added this Game Pass. I mean, this is for you guys. You can just check it out. I'm not gonna use this because I don't have an Xbox. So that's pretty much it you get in the box. But the controller, guys, this thing is insane, man. I can't stress how much I love this controller right now. Man, this is insane. So putting this against the PS3, now I know this is not a fair comparison, but unfortunately I don't have a PS4. This is all I have. So I feel that this is a lot more, it's a natural position where you put your thumb, the left thumb. I feel this is a lot more natural feeling, and it's more comfortable than your Sony. It feels like when you are moving, you feel like dragging this even further, but it's limited because of the pivot thing. Whereas Xbox has taken it to the next level by putting it on like ahead of your right stick. So it's a lot more comfortable, and psychologically it makes quite a lot of difference. So it's really really good. And here you put your AA batteries. Let's see. A second, how do you take that out? Let's say push. All right, there you go. That's where you put that. So I mean, this is a pretty cool controller, guys. If you still see this in stock and you want an Xbox, get this controller, guys. You will not regret it. This controller has literally blown me away. With it might not feel as if I'm blown away, but actually deep inside I am blown away. This thing is insanely good, and for this money I think you're getting a pretty good controller. So I'll leave it to that. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you liked it, you know what to do. So I'll see you in my next videos, guys. I'll be doing a few more reviews and stuff. Hopefully you like them. So till that, just follow me on Instagram or on Twitter. That's where I'm pretty active. Links in the description below. Hopefully you liked it. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.